Well, Uber and Lyft, there's a new rideshare app in town, and there ain't room for the three of us in town. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're today talking about a new rideshare app that's actually gaining some serious traction in the United States. So if you're fed up with Uber, fed up with Lyft, the rates, there's potentially a new app that could be coming to your city soon. They're expanding, and we're gonna talk about it. So thumbs up the video if you support higher driver pay and potentially, just us making more videos about new opportunities outside of Uber and Lyft. Yeah, this is a little bit outside of our comfort zone because we do like to talk about Uber and Lyft a lot. We're trying to venture into new areas, and we're gonna talk about this new company called Alto. And before I get started, I do wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for drivers, and they have an awesome guarantee pay feature, which could be in your area. They basically guarantee when you go online that you're gonna make a certain dollar amount. As you can see, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 37 bucks guaranteed. And when you sign up with our link below, they're gonna send you $15 just for linking your gig account with our link. And again, this is an app that's useful for all of these people, and it is free to sign up. So you can sign up. There's a completely free version nationwide. You'll get your 15 bucks, or there's other versions too that come with automated mileage tracking, federal tax projections, and of course this awesome one, daily guaranteed pay. But sign up for free, you get your $15. And yeah, today we're looking at Alto Rideshare. So I don't know if you've seen this company, but Alto Rideshare recently got $59.5 million in funding, which is not a small number by any means. And last time I made a video about them, a lot of people were like, well, Dylan, $59 million isn't hardly any money. They're gonna need hundreds of millions of dollars in order to surpass Uber and Lyft. Well, yeah, but $59 million is not a bad start. And that's only their Series B. They can get a Series C, D, E, F. Like, this company, I wouldn't be surprised if all of a sudden some big billionaire was like, I'm gonna give you guys 300 million bucks to take over Uber. So what is Alto? Alto Rideshare is a ride-hailing service created to provide an eco-friendly and affordable way for people to get from point A to point B. And they're doing a different model from Uber and Lyft in the fact that they're actually giving drivers cars. So drivers don't need to use their own vehicles. You are provided with your own vehicle. Look at this. When you drive with us, you don't need to buy a vehicle. We provide a luxury, safety-equipped vehicle for you. You don't have to pay for gas either, or vehicle maintenance. Throw in guaranteed hourly income and employee benefits, and you've got an opportunity that's hard to pass up. Now, I don't know what the rates are, and I'm assuming it does vary by city. But if you just go here, Los Angeles minimum wage is 16 bucks an hour, so they can't go any lower than $16 an hour. You get a free car that comes with it. Free gas, which is pretty crazy. A lot of Americans pay for their own gas just on their normal commute. So like you're getting a company car, and it doesn't, no out-of-pocket expenses. Luxury vehicle provided. I mean, this seems pretty legit. So let's look at the FAQs. Does Alto offer pre-scheduled rides? Yes. They have a promo code, adjustments to your membership. So yeah, it looks like basically riders sign up for memberships. Why is there a 10 to 15 minute wait? Rideshare insurance, $1 million liability. So yeah, guys, if you want to sign up for Alto, definitely check it out. It looks pretty legit. They were featured on the Rideshare Guy. So it's a Dallas-based rideshare startup, looks to a new business model for drivers. So yeah, they start out in Dallas, and it looks like let's see where the cities are. Dallas, Houston, LA, Miami, DC, and San Francisco. These are really popular towns, so I'm assuming they're gonna be expanding to like Boston next, New Jersey, maybe Las Vegas. Well, maybe not Las Vegas, because I know it's pretty strict there. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about Alto, but this could very well be, a company that really does actually compete with Uber and Lyft. We've seen a lot of other startups happen, rideshare startups get created, but I think this one looks like they could potentially, become very mainstream. It's kind of combining taxi services, like where the drivers get the free car, with Uber and Lyft, where it's like, friendly nice luxury car. So, and make sure you sign up for Solo. They say the average driver makes $5,000 more a year. And again, they're gonna send you $15 as soon as you sign up with our unique link. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.